Okay, my friends, perfectly done. Look at this. Well, fuck is guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know, let's watch this video. So my friends, today as always, I'm going to use several indicators: Donchian Channel, Parabolic SAR and MACD. By the way, I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade. I'm using only short time period so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Now I have opened the first buy position. As you can see, we have touched the bottom of the Donchian channel. After this, we will highly likely continue growing towards the middle of the Donchian channel or even higher towards the upper edge of it. By the way, Parabolic SAR is also telling us the same shit, that we are currently in the buy zone and we have all possibilities for the growth. So my friends, now we're just waiting for the result of this trade and continue pumping our deposit. Okay, my friends, so the first trade was profitable one, we have around $570. Okay, well, so concerning this trade, we have touched the upper edge of the Donchian channel. After this, I'm sure that we will receive the pullback reaction. That's why I have opened buy position investing our $570, and now price should drop towards the middle line of the Donchian channel or even lower towards the bottom of the Donchian channel. Okay, my friends, perfectly done. Well, so here we are standing on the resistance line, which is the upper edge of the Donchian channel and the Parabolic SAR line. However, according to the MACD, we are in the buy zone, and highly likely we will break through this resistance line and continue growing significantly. That's why I have opened buy position here, investing $1,000, and I'm sure that we will get money from this trade. So now let's just be patient and see what markets will bring to us. By the way, guys, while I'm waiting for the result, don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you will find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the coolest information that will help you to become a professional trader just like me, like Michael fucking Trader. So subscribe to my TG right now, get daily signals, daily analytics and educational materials, and if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kinds of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. All you need is just to subscribe to my private TG right now. Link in the description. That's why we have opened sell position here, expecting this breakthrough, and we have already done it. So price will now continue dropping significantly. We opened this position according to the Parabolic SAR indicator and according to the MACD indicator, which are both were telling us that we would drop significantly, and we did it. Okay, guys, so it's done. Just look at this. We have $3,700 in the account, even $3,800 in the account. That's really nice. It's so fucking cool. If you remember, we started with just $300 and turned them into $3,800. That's really nice. Now let's change our investment to $3,000. Check out the USD. Let's open sell position. As you can see, price has hit the middle line of the Donchian channel, and I expect to receive the pullback reaction from that zone, because we don't have a high volatility, and price and buyers, I guess, don't have enough power to break through the middle line of the Donchian channel according to the low volatility, and that's why we can easily receive the pullback reaction from that zone and try and go to the bottom line of the Donchian channel. Well, fuck, it's so fucking nice, my friend. $6,500 on the account. What a nice profit. So we spent just 10 minutes and We got $6,500 just from $300. That's fucking crazy. And this is what binary options offer you. They offer you millions of dollars on your accounts, and all you need is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. Do this right now and be with me.